There are a few different ways to search for content related to your topic on the IEEE Xplore digital library. You can start your search in the global search bar, which is the main search bar on the page, or through our advanced search options, or by browsing content to find journals and conferences in your discipline, and to find specific journals you wish to read and the latest conference proceedings. Let's look at both search options, the global search and the advanced search. The global search is ideal for basic search queries. While the search supports Boolean search operators like and, or, and not, along with the use of wildcards like the asterisk, the search can be as simple or as complex as you like. Let's try the search autonomous vehicles and object detection, where the quotation marks will search for the exact phrase, and the Boolean term and will ensure that both phrases are present in our results. Two things to note. The Boolean search operators must be capitalized, as you see in our search example. Secondly, the global search bar by default is searching through the metadata of the article record. From our list of results, you can select a content type like conference presentations, journal or magazine articles, ebook chapters, standards, and more. The default sort option is by relevance. However, you can change that to view the most recent items published, most cited by papers, and most cited by patents, and more. The green unlock icon indicates that this item is available to you, while the red lock icon denotes the content outside of your subscription. On the left-hand side, you'll find several other limiting facets allowing you to see the authors who are conducting research in this field, the affiliation, which is the institution or organization where our researchers are from, publication topics, and other fields. If you'd like to conduct a more complex and focused search, try the advanced search options. On the advanced search page, you will see that the Boolean operators are provided on the left-hand side with an option to select and, which narrows results by requiring all specified terms to be present, or broadens results by including anything that contains any of the terms. Not excludes results containing a specific term, making the search more specific. The drop-down options to the right of the search box offer several fields to specify where you will search for your key terms. The default is all metadata. However, we can search the full text or the entire article. We could specify that we want our term to appear in the title, the abstract, or as part of the index terms. We can also search for specific researchers by using the author field, or search what is being published from a specific company, organization, or academic institution by using the author affiliation field. If you're unsure of what the data field is, the data fields link on the right-hand side under the Learn More heading provides a definition of each field. Here is an example where we are using some variation of autonomous vehicle, artificial intelligence, and sensor fusion. Notice we've chosen specific data fields like all metadata, index terms, and full text and metadata, where we're searching for our particular terms. Once you create a complex search query, you have the option to sign in with your personal account in the upper right-hand corner. A personal account allows you to save your search history, save a specific search query like we have created, and be notified when new research is published based on your search query. If you don't have a personal account, you can simply create one using whichever email you'd prefer to log into the platform.